Climate change and global warming are a big issue in today's world, in our world. This is an issue that needs to be discussed right away because it is affecting everyday life and the life of our future generations. Besides needing to discuss this subject, we as a community also need to take the matter into our own hands and start taking action against it. There are different types of actions or activities that we can do to battle this issue. For starters, raising awareness about it by talking to other people about it or spreading information on social media. We can also take direct action by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide ourselves, by stopping or reducing the use of cars and start using alternate transportation methods. One of the actions that we can take against climate change is just walking to school. Instead of using all these cars that you can see here, there could be more space for green areas if we just walked instead of going to school in the car and occupying a lot of space and emitting a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which causes climate change and global warming. So there's one of the solutions, guys. Another of the actions that we can take against climate change is raising awareness and spreading information. So I decided to give these papers around so that people will be more aware of the issue. It says, the climate can change. Can you? Here's a couple of things that I have learned through the campaigns I've been doing. So by walking around, it's not much about learning, but I think it's pretty good actually, because it's beneficial for the body, for myself. Since I'm not just sitting around, I'm walking, I'm doing something, I'm staying active, and that's good for my health. So that's something good about instead of going to school in the car, you just can walk around, right? And also after giving out the papers and talking to people, I learned that a lot of people are aware of the problem. It's a common issue that pretty much everybody knows about, but not everybody does something for this issue. So nobody pretty much fights against this problem, and so that's kind of another issue, you know. We now need to motivate people to start doing something to save the world.